Replacing the battery in your intelligent key can be simple if you follow this procedure. First, see the owner's manual for the recommended battery before replacing. Next, release the lock knob and remove the emergency key from the intelligent key. Now, place it into this slot and press until the battery cover opens. Look at the battery to observe which side is up, so you can put the replacement battery in the same way. Ensure your hands are clean and free from oil and grease before touching anything inside the key fob. Carefully hold the new battery by the edges every time you pick it up. Gently and repeatedly tap the intelligent key against your hand until the battery falls out. Place the new battery into the intelligent key with the negative side oriented in the same direction you noted during removal. Insert the front tabs of the battery cover into this spot and then press to close it. Place the emergency key element into the intelligent key. Lastly, operate the intelligent key to ensure it works properly. If you need assistance with this procedure, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.